Have you seen those viral AI renovation shorts that are blowing up right now on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok? These videos show old, broken, abandoned houses transforming into beautiful modern homes in just a few seconds. There's a channel that has gained over 300k subscribers by posting these simple renovation videos, with almost every upload pulling in millions of views. In this video, I'm breaking down the entire workflow, step by step, the exact prompts, the tools, all of it. Make sure you watch till the end. I'll walk you through every single step in order. Before we get into the actual generation, there's one thing you're going to need, and that's the master prompt. This is the prompt I personally use to generate ideas and create image and video prompts for my renovation shorts. You'll find the link to it in the description. Go ahead and copy the full prompt and paste it into any AI tool you're comfortable with. I'm using Claude for this. Once you send the prompt to Claude, it will analyze the prompt and ask you what type of renovation you want to make. For example, I'm going with the second option, room by room transformation, so I will just type 2 and send it. Then again, it will ask you for a sub-series that you want to create. So in this case, I'm choosing the 2.1 option. After you have selected the series and sub-series, Claude will start generating the images and videos prompts. This will generate 6 image prompt and 6 videos prompts. Now that we have generated the image and video prompts, we are going to start creating images. For that, we are going to Google Flow and start a new project. In the chat box where it says video, click on that and select image ratio 9:16 and the model Nano Banana Pro. Then we're going to copy our first image prompt and paste it into Google Flow and send it. After the image is created, rename it to Image 1. After that, we have created our first image. We are going to copy the second image prompt and paste it, and then click on this plus icons and select the first image that we created. This will help us build consistent images throughout the video. Now, generate all of the 6 images in the same process. I am speeding this up so that it can save our time. Now we have created all the 6 images, and it is time to generate the videos. So the process is quite simple. Click on this Nano Banana Pro option and select Video option, and then this Frames option, and the model set to VAIO 3.1 Fast. Now click on this Start button and select the first image, Image 1, and the end image set to Image 2. Then copy the Video 1 prompt from Claude and paste it into Flow and send it. This will create a time-lapse video from Image 1 to Image 2. By repeating this same process, we have to create all of our 6 videos. Now that we have generated all of our video, we will rename the videos and download them. Now we will go to any editing software and import our video files. You can use any editing software like CapCut. I am using Premiere Pro, but the process is the same in every software. So first, import all the videos and arrange them in order. You don't need to change anything here, because the videos already have the background music and the visuals that we need. So we will just export this video, and we are just one step away from our fully developed AI renovation short. Now, once you've selected which video you want to create, something else happens automatically. The prompt doesn't just stop at the image and video generation. It also gives you the complete publishing package for that video. 3 title options, a full description, and all the tags you need, ready to copy and paste straight into YouTube. No keyword research, no guessing what to write in the description. It's all already done for you. And that's the entire workflow from start to finish. Idea, image, video, and now a fully packaged upload, ready to go live.